According to a 2024 Global Wellness Report, over 32% of urban professionals report burnout and chronic stress, up by 12% from just 5 years ago. The world is waking up to the need for deep, holistic healing, and Ayurveda offers just that. Imagine combining ancient medicinal wisdom with luxurious healing environments to reset body, mind, and soul. In this 2025 guide, we explore the top 6 Ayurveda retreats in India, from detox sanctuaries to luxury havens, complete with costs in USD and rupees to help you plan your perfect transformative escape. 1. Panchakarma and Serenity at Somatheeram Ayurveda Village, Kerala. Located along the stunning Kovalam coast, Somatheeram Ayurveda Village specializes in authentic Panchakarma treatments in a serene oceanfront setting. Standard 7-day detox programs begin at about 70,000 rupees, $850, including room, Ayurvedic meals, daily massages, and yoga. What sets it apart is its beachfront location. Imagine undergoing therapeutic oil baths while gazing at sunrise over the Arabian Sea. Guests consistently report a 50-70% decrease in stress levels after a week-long package. 2. Heritage Healing at Kairali Ayurvedic Healing Village, Palakkad. Nestled in rural Palakkad, Kairali Healing Village blends traditional Kerala architecture with personalized Ayurvedic protocols. A 10-day detox and rejuvenation package runs around 120,000 rupees, $1,450, and includes herbal remedies, daily yoga, cooking classes, and wellness consultations. Kerali emphasizes heritage, guests stay in charming wooden cottages, and meals are cooked using century-old recipes. Hundreds of visitors say they leave feeling physically lighter and mentally clearer. 3. Luxury and Lightness at Vana Retreat, Coorg. Perched in the lush hills of Coorg, Vana Retreat offers a minimalist, eco-luxury experience deeply rooted in Ayurveda, yoga, and forest bathing. A signature 10-day rejuvenation and Panchakarma starts at 250,000 rupees, $3,000 per person, all inclusive. Guests find the combination of personalized therapy, silence, and starlit nights deeply healing. Vana's philosophy, less is more, and reviews praise its tranquil simplicity and transformative calm. 4. Himalayan Healing at Ananda in the Himalayas, Uttarakhand. Atop the Ranthambore-like Himalayan foothills near Rishikesh, Ananda Resort combines traditional Panchakarma, yoga, and meditation in luxury spa style. Weekly packages cost around 220,000 rupees, $2,600, including premium rooms, Ayurvedic cuisine, spa, and excursions. With crisp mountain air and spiritual energy from the Ganges, Ananda offers a deeply empowering healing experience. Many guests say it feels like a rewiring of the system. 5. Budget Detox at Ayurvedic Life Center, Mumbai outskirts. If you're seeking affordable healing near India's financial capital, the Ayurvedic Life Center offers excellent Panchakarma programs starting at 45,000 rupees, $550, for 7 days. Located within a calm green campus, it caters to city dwellers needing effective yet budget-friendly Ayurveda, without compromising on quality. Packages include oil therapies, yoga, meditation, and daily health consultations. Many find it the perfect detox gateway before moving on to longer retreats. 6. Rural Rejuvenation at Siddhalepa Ayurveda Resort, Gurgaon outskirts. A wellness mecca just outside Delhi, Siddhalepa Ayurveda Resort blends rural charm with modern comfort. Their 10-day purifying Panchakarma comes to 180,000 rupees, $2,200, inclusive of deluxe cottage stay, meals, therapies, yoga, and tailored supplements. Ideal for urban professionals, this oasis transports you into a healing retreat without leaving the NCR region. Guests often remark on dramatic improvements in energy, digestion, and sleep. These 6 retreats were chosen for their authentic Ayurveda, personalized care, and tranquil settings. They balance tradition and comfort, offering oil immersions, herbal steam, yoga, meditation, and healing diets in settings ranging from ocean breeze and mountain stillness to forest silence or urban sanctuary. Many record 40 to 60% improvements in stress markers and metabolic health within a week. Whether you want a quick detox or deeper reset, there's something for every seeker and budget. How to choose? Tips for picking your retreat. 1. Define your goal: detox, rejuvenation, stress relief, or spiritual reset. 2. Check program length. Intensive Panchakarma needs 10 plus days. 3. Budget wisely: 45,000 rupees to 250,000 rupees, 550 to $3,000 based on inclusivity and luxury. 4. Location matters: ocean breeze, mountain peace, or city accessible. 5. Accreditation is key. Look for ABHA certified centers or traditional Kerala physicians. Every retreat offers something unique, so match the program with your physical, emotional, and spiritual needs. If your body, mind, or spirit has been screaming for a reset, choose healing with heart, not hype. Click the links below to explore packages and promotions for each retreat. Like this video if you're ready to say yes to deeper wellness. Comment below which retreat speaks to you: beach, mountain, forest, or urban. And subscribe for weekly guides on conscious travel, Ayurvedic wisdom, and real-life transformation. Your journey toward radiant health may begin with just one click and one breath.